Hey guys, Irene here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna be doing an interesting video. So I have seen this trend going on YouTube right now where YouTubers do a task within a very limited amount of time versus an unlimited amount of time and then compare the results. So Nikki Tutorials did her makeup for 6 minutes versus 60 minutes. I seen Simply Nailogical do the same with, doing her nails. I thought this would be very interesting to apply to editing. So what I'm gonna do today is edit the same image for 6 minutes versus 30 minutes, and then we can compare the results and see what we can learn from it. I'm a very detail-oriented person when it comes to editing, and I enjoy editing, so I can sit there for hours in my Photoshop. So this is gonna be very interesting. I'm definitely not looking forward to editing an image for only 6 minutes, but yeah, very curious to see what the results are gonna be like, and yeah, let's just get started. So this is the image that I'm gonna be retouching today. I took this at my Berlin workshop. I'm gonna just open it in Photoshop. I'm gonna put the timer for 6 minutes. I'm kind of freaking out, not gonna lie, because I don't even know what exactly I'm gonna do with this image. But okay, start. Oh my goodness, okay. We're gonna make it brighter. I think I'm gonna keep it within pretty, cooler tones. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. I'm freaking out. Okay, the whites need to go lower. Let's give it a little bit of dehaze, a little bit of vibrance. Okay, open the image. All right, so I'm gonna quickly give it my signature crop. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. You guys know that I love doing this. Just expand the image a little bit to make it kind of like more medium format. Okay, next thing I usually do is skin retouch. So because I don't have the time to do the usual dodge and burn, I'm gonna do something that I used to do a lot when I started. I'm gonna do quick patch tool. So I'm gonna quickly take some things out. Oh no, I'm trying to do this very, very quickly. Okay, so I'm gonna try to take away some of the facial hair here a little bit, but I don't want to take all of it out. It's pretty normal. So again, I'm just gonna use patch tool. Seems to be working okay. Obviously, this is not gonna be like a super amazing retouch. I'm just trying to do the best. I'm just trying to think of what kind of techniques I can use that are super fast, effective but really fast. So I'm just gonna patch tool the whole thing. Okay, and another thing I used to do to quickly edit is sample the skin and then paint it over. So I'm painting over some of the sampled skin. And this is not the best way to retouch at all, because it makes the skin not look very natural, not very real, but it is super fast, you guys. So that's why I'm doing this right now. Okay, how much time do I have? How much time do I have? Oh my goodness. Ah! I'm wasting time just... Oh my god, 3 minutes? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Okay, I have to finish this up. Oh my god, wow, the time goes fast, huh? Oh my god. Maybe I should have given myself 10 minutes instead of 6. 6 is not enough time. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm almost done with skin. I think skin is the most important. That's what makes the picture look really good, is the skin, right? Okay, let's do just a little bit on her neck. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. I hate this. Why am I doing this to myself again? Okay, and now another thing that I used to do is to make it more natural, I just bring it back. Okay, that's fine, whatever. Let's do some quick, oh my god, that does not look good. That does not look good. Okay, I'm gonna, oh my goodness, what am I doing? I'm gonna brighten her up just a little bit. Just so she stands out from the background a little bit more. Oh my god. Okay, that looks good. Now I'm just gonna freaking merge. I don't have the time to deal with layers. Okay, I'm gonna go into Camera Raw and I'm gonna play with some of the presets that I have. I don't have that many and I don't use them that often, but I feel like right now it's the time. Okay, I think I like this one. I'm just gonna make it more vibrant. Okay, that looks good. That looks good. I think so. I think the greens are a little bit too green, but we'll fix that. Okay, now I'm gonna add some blues. I'm gonna make her skin a little bit more colorful. Oh my goodness. I'm just playing with colors here a little bit. Okay, that's fine. I think what I need to do is do more. Okay, I'm just gonna freaking merge because again, I don't have the time. I'm gonna do a little bit more on her skin because the skin does not look that great, you guys. I'm just gonna use like the huge oh my god, oh my god. Oh no. Oh no. This is not working how I want it to work. Oh no. I don't even know how much time I have left, but I can't be bothered to look right now. Oh no, I think this looks so bad. Okay, okay, alrighty. I don't know if this made it worse. Oh my god, that scared the shit out of me. Okay, this image is done and I don't think I've ever been this stressed in my life. I feel like I'm sweating and the alarm totally scared me. Alright, so this image, I mean, you know what? Now that I'm looking at it from like far away, like if you really squint, it doesn't look that horrible. But I mean, if you really look closely, there's a lot of things that I could have fixed. But overall, it's not that bad. 6 minutes is really not that much time at all. So let's compare the before and after. Alright, now I'm gonna give myself 30 minutes, which is plenty of time to get a nice edit. So I'm gonna start it now. I'm not even pressed. I'm not worried at all. I have lots of time. I'm gonna do kind of similar stuff here that I did with the other image in Camera Raw. I'm gonna do a similar crop, but now that I've been looking at the other one, I think I'm gonna leave slightly more space at the top than I did with the other image and maybe slightly give it more of space at the bottom as well. And I'm using the same technique that I always use, with just stretching the sides. By the way, if you guys are interested in seeing any of my Photoshop tutorials, I will leave a playlist in the description down below to some of my favorite Photoshop tutorials, and they're all free. Oops, I don't need the top. I think this might be a slightly better crop than I did for the last image. I think I prefer it a little bit better. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the skin retouch, and I usually start with a little bit of spot healing brush to take away some of the bigger areas that need to be taken care of, and then I'm gonna go into dodge and burn. I'll probably speed up this because it usually takes the longest time. It's the skin retouch. Okay, I think that looks really good. All right, so what else can we do here? Let's do some dodge and burn on like the whole image. We're gonna do some color corrections. Okay, I think it's done. I just finished, and I actually finished earlier than, I still have 5 minutes and 20 seconds, but I'm done with this. Actually, okay, if I have 5 more minutes, let's do a little bit more of dodge and burn. Actually, I don't think I need to. I think this is it. Okay, no, actually I could do a little bit more on her neck. Yeah, let's just do a little bit more of dodge and burn if I still have some time. All right, I think I'm done. Oh, 10, 9, 8, 7. Okay, there we go. So I'm done with the 30-minute edit, and let's check out the before and after for this image. I love when my images have a lot of detail, and being able to zoom in really close and seeing all of that beautiful skin texture and the perfect skin tone is just so satisfying to me. If I zoom in on the 6-minute image, I mean, it's a mess. It's all sorts of messy. Like there's a lot of skin texture here, and then there's no skin texture here at all. I don't really love the color. You know, I actually thought that the color was pretty good when I was editing it, But now that I'm looking at compared to the 30-minute edit, here, let me just kind of pull these, and I'll pull them side by side for you guys. But now looking at these two kind of side by side, you can really see how green the 6-minute edit is, and the skin tones don't look really that pleasing, whereas on the other one it's a lot more warm and it has a lot more of that pinkish tone to it. Just overall looks a lot better and smoother. So yeah, I mean, I knew that I'm gonna like the 30-minute edit way better, obviously, but I think it shows that attention to detail and really taking time with mastering your craft, you know, is very, very important. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!